What should I draw? Maybe a capybara? Oh wait, we're filming. I forgot. So today I want to draw not a capybara, but a Sakura Temple with letters. These are the colors you will need. I'm using the Line Touch watercolor pencils. I have red, orange, a beigeish color, golden. This one that makes the red looks like a watermelon, and a pink, a cyan. Okay, first I want you to follow my instructions and draw a O right here. Next step is draw an M on top of that O. Like an M. Then draw an H. Then draw a big fat W. Then you want to draw some H's here, H here, a D here. Now erase it to the point that, okay, the next step is turn this turn the W into a hat with some pointy edges on this side. And make the O another layer. We're going to make the O another layer for the temple. Turn the M into what you did to the W, like a hat with spikies right there. Okay, next you want to make part of the building right there. I want to make mine a little short. There should be good. Sombrero. Okay, where the small H's were, you can put them back. Just add a line at the top, at the bottom, to seal it up and make it look like a pixelated version of the number 8. Then draw a line across. Then make your D into a door by making a rectangle. Then, only if you want, you can do boom, boom, boom. So the reason why I said it's a Sakura Temple is because I want to make some cherry trees next to it. First cherry tree. I want it to be really big. Add some squiggles, like, you know how last time we were doing a ball drawing and there were squiggles like this. Then just go here, here, keep on adding to the branches. Both to the top and at the bottom. Okay, this is a very big cherry tree. As you can see, it's bigger than the temple. So this cherry tree must have been growing for a long time. Okay, After that, add some small red dots, like that. For some of the bright cherry flowers, I need a beige, pinkish beige. So I got a pinkish beige for the more light cherry flowers. Keep on adding the red, adding the red, adding the red, adding the red. Heck, this is pretty fun. Add a red dot and neat there. Make your part of the tree have very red line like this. Some bush for the tree. Then I'm going to do that same thing for the pink. But I want the bush first. Cherry tree. More pink. There. And for the tower, I want it to. So first, make this part red. Light red. Don't press on it like you did for the tree. Underpainting the red. Underpainting, as a bunch of swords say, adds a bunch of contrast to your picture. Sucks in that vibrant color. Gives it a lot more detail and a lot more shading. Okay, after we do the red, I want one side to partially be a little orange. Okay, after that, I need to pull out my coat. Lightly wash on top of the red. Then I take the green and I put it for the sombrero of the building. This is a very quick and easy drawing. So, I am going to add a sun too. And I also will add a bonus tutorial. The bonus tutorial is I forgot to show you how to draw an eye. Okay, it's done. Now for the sun. Sun will just be a red circle filled in with more red, descending to orange. Okay, here another red. More. Okay, now I'm going to brush it with my watercolor. With my water, sorry. See how it blends right in. Okay, Add more water. Slightly blue wash to the windows. Now I'm going to add some pebbles like a path. After that, I want the golden to be used for the stones. And I also want to make a little more stones. Now, I want my gray. Gray for some of the stones. So after, I want to add the shadow. So how to add the shadow is simple. So if we do the tree, we do it right about there. We'll make an owl nest. And hold on, let me start these a little bit. And add a quite of a dark kind of. So one last thing I want to do. I'll keep it a surprise from you guys. Make a pipe from over here. Ah, my eye just got hit by a pencil. Right with the nose. Add some lines like this. Add some circles. This thing is optional too. Add a ram. You have to try and guess what it is. Water. You probably know what it is. It is a pond if you haven't guessed. Capybara. Okay, finally, I want the chute to be yellow, and that is it. This is really easy. It's a fun tutorial drawing. If you want to see, you can pause and see the colored pencil I have. Pretty much every drawing is fun. So, and if you believe in yourself, you can definitely do it. Signing out.